Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Welcome back to my Paper and Other Obsessions channel. We are indeed working with paper and one of my other obsessions, which are Brusho crystals. This is something I saw on another channel and I wanted to give it a try. I even did an experiment just to see how it would look, and I love how this turned out. So this is what we're going to do today, but with different colors and a couple different ideas. So the basic materials I'm using are some heavy-duty watercolor paper. This has, you probably cannot see it on camera, but it has a textured side, has a little tooth to it, as they say, and then a smooth side. I'm going to try doing this on both sides because I really don't know what the difference would be in terms of the final result. And I have these Brusho crystals that we have used before. This is the set I've been using for at least 6 months now. Whenever I first started using them, this was the first set I got. Since then, I also picked up their 12-pack. This is 6. This has 12, and there's some colors in here that I really wanted to try out. So we'll be using sort of a combo of 4 new ones and some of the older ones. For the 4 new ones that I wanted to try, the one I'm most interested in is black. And while that doesn't sound like the most exciting color, their black is made up of pretty much, I think, all the other colors mixed together, or many of the other colors. So that's one thing I want to try, because I've heard and I've seen on other channels that if you put down some black crystals and you hit it with water, or in this case, spray starch, it will not just burst to life like Brusho does, which makes it so cool, but it will also burst to life and you can see some of the other colors going on at the same time. So I want to see how that looks here in person. Instead of using my ultrafine mister with water in it, I am going to use spray starch. And we're also going to use some cling wrap. Again, Walmart special. One other tool, so we are using another one of my obsessions, which is glitter. If you watch my other channel, I recently sprayed an entire cup with these dry sprayers full of ultrafine glitter. I can link to that video below if you haven't seen it. But we're going to spray some on all of this, which is what I did. I didn't use a dry sprayer pump thing here, but I sprinkled some gold glitter on this one. I thought this might be fun. First thing I'm going to do is open these up. If you can see, but there's a little indentation in the middle of this. I'm going to use my stabby tool, also known as an awl, and create a nice opening right there in the dimple. There we go. But the first thing I want to do is the black. I'm just really curious. So that's where we're going to start. Shake up my spray starch and put a little down. Now the black. Let's see what happens. Oh, there's a little blue. There's an orange. What else is coming through? So far I see mostly orange and black, or sorry, orange and blue. It's very pretty though, isn't it? Let's just go with this. Because it's black, let's use our enchantment glitter. Get a little wetter down here. Okay. The reason for the cling film is to add texture, so start by giving it some texture. Oh, look, more colors coming through. Isn't that gorgeous? And as I make these, I'm going to put them aside to dry on a pan and in the other room. All right, I'm not going to start with the spray starch. We'll add that later. Let's see what happens with, this is ultramarine, so it should come out deep blue. This is scarlet, so it should be a deep red. And this is leaf, woo! Leaf green. So it'll look ochre on the paper, but the blue is in there as well to mix with that and bring out a beautiful green, I believe. How about orange? This is orange. Cool. Blue glitter. I don't have to put glitter on all of them, but you know, glitter. Am I right? Glitter. So it's not scarlet at all, but the starch takes a little longer than water to dry. It will be a blink of an eye for you. However, I will be leaving these to dry overnight after I set them aside. Sure, we'll try a rainbow. Okay, let's try a rainbow, Luxinda. So I have all of the rainbow colors here. So the first one is crimson or red. And Roy G. Biv, so wow. Yeah, Roy has an O in it, so orange is next. I'll do a little bit of glitter. Okay, that's about all I have room for in my drying racks right now, so I'm going to call it here, and I will bring you back when these are dry. And we're back. Okay, it's the next day. These should all be dry, pretty sure. So we are going to take the cling film off and see how our cards look. From here, they look gorgeous, but I think it's interesting, especially on this one. This is the black one. Nothing but black crystals on this. The fact that it was pressed under the cling film made the different colors involved in the black even more pronounced, along with the texture and, of course, some beautiful enchantment color shifting glitter. That's really pretty. I don't know what I'd use this for. Probably with the glitter on it, I wouldn't turn it into a sympathy card, but I don't know. It could be something. It could be, if anybody has any ideas for specifically what this card could be turned into theme-wise as a greeting card sort of thing. I mean, it could just be a simple thinking of you down in the corner. I don't know. I don't know how the recipient would feel about that, but open to ideas there because I think it's beautiful. I'd love to use it somehow. These turned out so beautiful. I am so pleased with this project. I realize I still haven't actually made anything yet. I'm just creating stuff, and hopefully we will get a chance to put this all together in a journal later or a bunch of greeting cards or something like that. If you have a preference for what you'd like to see me do with some of these things, I'd love to do all of these things. Make a journal, make some greeting cards, all that fun stuff. And if you have any specific theme ideas for each one of these, the black brown, the four different colors, the four different colors with different glitter textures, and then our rainbow. Let me know down in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Stay safe, everyone. I will see you in the next video.